Hi friends, let me show you this new air duster that I received for viewing purposes. It is a small but very powerful duster. Let me show you. You get the charging cable, a USB-A to USB-C cable. This brush can be installed in the front part of the duster. Okay, this is the port to charge it. And this is the on-off switch, and this is the power switch. Let me show you. We're going to turn it on. Okay, it has a full charge, and you can modulate the strength of the air. Really powerful, it's really strong. Let me show you. You can use it to clean your keyboard, your desk, your tool room, whatever you need to clean. Even without the brush, you could use it. But as you see, it has a really strong power. It moves this screws box. Look. Okay. This is a 50 pieces wood screws box. So it's really strong. Okay. So if you need a blower like this for your office, for your home office, for your tool room, for your kitchen, anywhere you want to clean with air and a brush, this is a strong option. Thank you.